Common questions. How serious is black fungus? Cases of mucormycosis or black fungus, a potentially serious condition that causes blood or double division, chest pain, and breathing difficulties, have surged in India, mostly among COVID 19 patients. At least 8,848 such cases have been found across the country as of May 21, according to the government. What happens in black fungus? Mucormycosis is a fungal infection that causes blackening or discoloration over the nose, blood or double division, chest pain, breathing difficulties, and coughing blood. Mucormycosis is caused by exposure to mucor mold, which is commonly found in soil, air, or even in nose and mucus of humans. Is there a cure for black fungus? Senior doctors of Delhi on May 21 said that black fungus can be treated if diagnosed early, and it is a rare infection found in COVID 19 patients. How is black fungus transmitted? Mucormycosis or black fungus is a complication caused by a fungal infection. People catch mucormycosis by coming in contact with the fungal spores in the environment. It can also develop on the skin after the fungus enters the skin through a cut, scrape, burn, or other type of skin trauma. How are fungal infections spread? How fungal infections are spread? Infections are spread by direct skin contact with humans or animals, or indirectly from contaminated articles or floor or in soil. Shared changing rooms and shower are often a source of tinea, while some infections are spread by sharing of items such as towels. How do you prevent black fungus? Maintain oral hygiene after COVID recovery. The intake of steroids and other medication enables the bacteria or fungus in the mouth to grow and cause a problem in the sinus, lungs, and even brain. Taking care of your mouth by brushing twice, thrice a day and taking oral cleanups can help exceedingly. Can fungal infection be spread from person to person? Fungal infection can be contagious. They can spread from one person to another. In some cases, you can also catch diseases causing fungi from infected animals or contaminated soil or surfaces. Where do fungal skin infections come from? Fungi usually make their homes in moist areas of the body where skin surfaces meet, between the toes, in the genital area, and under the breasts. Common fungal skin infections are caused by yeast such as Candida or Malassezia furfur, or dermatophytes such as Epidermophyton, Microsporum, Trichophyton. How do you can get rid of fungus in your body? Home remedies for fungal infections are: eat yogurt and probiotics. Yogurt and other probiotics have an ample amount of good bacteria that helps stave off many fungal infections. Wash with soap and water. Use apple cider vinegar. Use tea tree oil. Use coconut oil. Use turmeric. Use aloe vera, garlic. How do you prevent a fungal infection from spreading? How can fungal infection be prevented? Keep your skin clean and dry, particularly the folds of your skin. Wash your hands often, especially after touching animals or other people. Avoid using other people's towels, other personal care products. Wear shoes in locker rooms, community showers, and swimming pools. How long does it take for a fungal infection to clear up? The symptoms of fungal infection, such as itching or soreness, should get better within a few days of treatment. Red and scaly skin may take longer to get better. You may need treatments for 1 to 4 weeks. What does a fungal infection of skin look like? A fungal skin infection often looks bright red and can spread across a large area. A fungal skin rash may also have characteristics including color more intense at border. What are the symptoms of fungus in the body? What are the symptoms of fungal infection? A vaginal yeast infection usually causes itching and foul discharge from vagina. A fungal infection on the skin may cause redness, itching, flaking, and swelling. A fungal infection in the lungs may cause coughing, fever, chest pain, and muscle aches. What causes fungus in the body? In fact, Candida is the most common cause of fungal infections in humans. Typically, the healthy bacteria in your body keep Candida level under control. However, in healthy bacterial levels are disrupted or immune system is compromised, Candida can begin to overproduce. What kills a fungal infection? Antifungal medications work to treat fungal infection. They can either kill fungi directly or prevent them from growing and thriving. Antifungal drugs are available as OTC treatments or prescription medications and come in a variety of forms, including creams or ointments. What are 5 diseases caused by fungi? Aspergillosis, blastomycosis, candidiasis, Candida infection of the mouth, throat, and esophagus, vaginal candidiasis, Candida auris, coccidiomycosis, C. neoformans, C. gattii, and fungal eye infections. Can fungus make you sick? Fungi can live outdoors in soil and on plants, indoors or surfaces and in air and on people's skin or inside the body. There are millions of fungal species, but only a few hundreds of them can make people sick. Mild fungal infections can look like a rash and are very common.